Happy 18th birthday. Dalaga ka na. Sana makauwi naman kayo. Para magkita-kita tayo. Ha?
Mag-wish ka. Wish mo kay Sydney.
Wish ko, makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at matagpuan mo ang maganda mong kinabukasan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate C. I hope you're happy. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Sydney. Wish you all the best. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Sydney. Palagi kang maging mabuting anak, mabuting ate. Mag-aral mabuti pero wag kalimutan mag-enjoy. Ayan. Ingat ka palagi. See you soon.
Hi Sydney, happy birthday to you. I miss you. Just study hard para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo, para makauwi na kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi I always miss you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Sid.
Happy birthday, Sydney.
Happy 18th birthday, Sid! Wow, dalaga na si Sid. I wish you all the best, ate. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti, lalo na sa college. Pero kung magpapahinga ka, good for you yan. And ano pang wish natin kay ate? Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo and matupad yung mga birthday wish mo ngayon. Enjoy your day. Happy 18th birthday, Sid.
Happy birthday, Sydney. Welcome to adulthood.
Happy birthday, Ate Sid. More birthdays to come. Ay mag-enjoy ka lang at magpakasaya kasi happy birthday nga eh. Ingat palagi. God bless.
Hi Sid, happy birthday. Ingat palagi. Enjoy your day.
Bless you.
Miss you all guys. Bye. Bye.
Happy 18th birthday, Sydney. Remember, life is an adventure. Just enjoy it. Huwag magpaka-stress. I love you and we miss you.